Hello guys, this is Hanafikari. Today I would like to talk about the cognitive functions, which is a part of my research until today, and I'm still trying to figure out. And today we're going to talk about the introverted cognitive function. So, I also will explain briefly what is our perceiving and judging function initially. Well, in the perceiving function, we got active and receive, in which stands for extroverted sensing and introverted intuition for the active partner. And then we got introverted sensing and extroverted intuition as the receive partner. This is related for bedroom intimacy, where this introverted sensing will receive sensation while this one will give sensation. For example, if this give hug and this one will receive the hug. I mean, this one love to receive. This one love to give, generous, okay? And we also gonna talk about the judging function. But today we're gonna talk about the introverted cognitive function. So let's jump into it. So in the introverted cognitive function, it is generally about if you want to know someone got introverted cognitive function, or you want to spot someone, okay? Well, if you are introverted thinking, then you are going to be someone who like to give feedback towards the common sense, or like when someone giving you thoughts, you like to purify it, you want to validate it, is it true or not? If you're an introverted feeling, you want to validate if it's good or bad. So since that introverted cognitive function, these include introverted feeling, introverted thinking, introverted sensing, introverted intuition. They all are about yourself, and also it's clinging to one. For example, introverted intuition will cling to one path of his or her dream or ambition or decision, while someone who likes to, for example, introverted sensing, if they like to eat, like for example chocolate or something, they cling to that particular taste, a particular brand or something, that the one that they like. And yes, they're hard to change unless convinced. Yes, this can lead to ignorance, primarily for the introverted feeling and introverted thinking. And they are loyal to the extroverted cognitive function, meaning that if someone really helps them, for example, extroverted intuition helps to give one, two, three possible choice for introverted intuition, for example, dreams, or what you can buy something, the introverted intuition will appreciate that so much. And since the introverted intuition is also connotates to or in exists with extroverted sensing, which is the one that gives sensation to this. So if extroverted intuition helps this make decision, then usually the way that this active cognitive function, a perceiving function, will do is that this will give like a present or like a food or something to this introverted sensing. So that's how they appreciate them. And also that this introverted function also connotates to sympathy, putting yourself into others. For example, like for except introverted feeling user to understand others, they put themselves into the shoes of others, feeling familiar. Yes, and to have a uh, conceptual view is that introverted cognitive function, they are like high accuracy. They are such all about being accurate. It's all about their long term personal thoughts, things that they was taught to since they're young. Since they are accurate, but they lack of precision, so they got to try one by one by one. They got to tune it until they got the most accurate answer. And yes, since that they are so about themselves, their thoughts are quite small, so they could be lack of knowledge or could be lack of experience, because it just depends on their own. Okay, so they can emulate extroverted cognitive function too, but it is all by just showing sympathy. This is how they actually do it. So I think That's all for this video. Have a nice day.